Natalie's world, and guess where we are today? Look around, we are in a perfect natural national park in Thailand. It's called Khao Yai, and I am ready to show you one of the best videos about animals in Khao Yai. So if you want to see this video, stay in this channel and watch until the end. I am Nathalie with you, let's go. If you've decided to explore alone, you can move from one place to another in the park by renting a motorbike. It is a fast and convenient way to head exactly those locations you strive to visit. It is possible to get to park entrance by public transportation from Bangkok, but the attractions are 14 kilometers further inside the park. It is not possible to enter the park on foot. There are no public transportation services to the visitor center area inside the park. The distances between attractions or trails can be big and not so easy to get around on foot. Visitors won't be allowed to walk on the road at certain routes. The entrance fee is 400 Thai baht for adults and 200 Thai baht for children. When camping or staying at one of bungalows, the entrance fees will be valid for 3 days. Okay, so in fact there are many trekking tours up here and so many wild routes for you to discover. You will see many animals, flowers, birds in this natural park, and it's really beautiful. Let's start our amazing trip in Khao Yai. Khao Yai is no doubt the best national park in Thailand for regular visitors, where it is relatively easy to see a number of interesting animals. There are 2 watchtowers around the grassland area of the park, easily accessible with several trail options from different directions. The area is mainly grassland and makes hiking easier. The watchtower we are going now to is very popular due to clear visibilities of 360 degrees, and there are good possibilities to see some mammals and birds. It's a very nice place, but it's kind of wild. You can see animals living in the wild. You don't see animals and wildlife in cages. There are 2 campsites within the park boundaries, both with toilets, showers, parking spaces. Tents are available for rent from 250 Thai baht for 2 people, accessories such as sleeping bags, pillows, blankets, etc. for 20 to 50 Thai baht each. The area around both campsites is ideal for hiking. When leaving the tents, macaques will visit them sooner or later. If a tent door is closed, monkeys may tear it apart. It is not advised to leave the doors or any bags inside open. Any smaller bags a monkey may mistake for a food package. Monkeys will only take away food or anything that clearly looks like a food container. Malayan porcupines visit campsites every night, so if you have a torch, you can easily spot them. But everywhere where you go, you need a guide, so you cannot just like walk alone because it's a little bit dangerous. So, but they do have guided tours here with guides. So
you will not be left alone without any guiding tour. Today we are doing this guiding tour.
There are many trail options from 500 meters up to 8 kilometers long, altogether around 35 to 40 kilometers, making it a great destination for hikers. You can book a fully organized guided tour with a professional guide who will provide you with a great opportunity to explore hidden forest trails and discover abundant and versatile fauna of Khao Yai.
Before have two crocodile, and then when the rainy season, them come up and stay on the tail. For the park ranger, bring another one go outside. But now have only one.
Every time I see a water monitor, I'm so happy as I love those giant lizards. There is only one single Siamese crocodile in the national park. We are in the real jungle of Khao Yai right now. Let's go. Established in 1962 as Thailand's first national park, it is the third largest, oldest, and most visited national park in Thailand. The park covers an area of 2,168 square kilometers, including rain and evergreen forests and grasslands, which is why it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nowadays, as the lands adjacent to the national park are becoming increasingly developed into luxury hotels and golf courses, acquiring land for future wildlife conservation efforts is becoming problematic. Homes and residential villas have been built illegally within the limits of the protected area of the forest. Illegal logging is also a problem in the area of the park. Khao Yai National Park has 3 main seasons, with an annual temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, though this varies greatly with the seasons. Rainy season is from May to October, cold season from November to February, hot season from March to April. There are 320 species of birds in the park, including one of Thailand's largest population of hornbills. Best time to visit Khao Yai for bird watching is during the dry months or during March to April, when the big bird migration happens. Khao Yai is home to a variety of animals. It is one of the famous places in Thailand where wild elephants still survive. They are regularly seen and they are a major tourist attraction.
Why elephant? Not elephant, not in the zoo.
Come and visit and see by yourselves.
some moments I felt tired and too hot, but the result was worth it. I wanna say special thanks to my amazing tour guide JJ. If you plan to visit Khao Yai, book a tour with her. She's really the best.
Okay, so if you want to see more amazing traveling videos, stay in this channel, Nathalie's World, and I will show you all the world around you. In my next series, you will see Thailand series, and be sure to check my Taiwan series. I have 9 amazing Taiwan series for you, for those who want to travel to Taiwan and don't know where to go. I've prepared a full guide for you guys to discover. And right now, watch this Thailand series. See you in the next series. Bye bye.